Now I will show you how to configure the apps to control home appliances such as AC bulbs, fans, etc. Go to the Arduino Bluetooth Controller App. This app is available in the Google Play Store. Allow the Bluetooth to turn on. Now on the bottom you can see a search button. Click on it, and on top you can see HC-05 under the paired devices list. I have already paired the HC-05 to the smartphone. To know how to pair HC-05 to smartphone, I have done a video on interfacing HC-05 with Arduino. The link for that video is in the description. Now click on HC-05 and the HC-05 is successfully connected to the smartphone. Here we are going to use the buttons. Click on buttons and hold on any button you want to configure. Now I am going to configure button 1. Hold on the button 1 and you can enter the name of the button. Here I am going to enter AC bulb. And according to our program, the on command and off command should be the same, and it can vary from a value of 1 to 8. So for AC bulb I am going to use the number 7. I am going to configure another button. Hold on the button and this is good night. And I am going to use number 8 and save. This is how you can configure the app to control home appliances. You can configure up to 6 buttons.